Grade 3 pupils will be assessed for the Kenya Early Years Assessment and proceed to Grade 4 next year. The assessment administered by class teachers will continue throughout the third term before the Kenya National Exam Council compiles a report. NTV's education reporter Sharon Baranga is at the Moi Avenue Primary School, where Education PS Belio Kipsang visited to see the progress of the competence-based curriculum assessment for Grade 3 pupils. Sharon, is it a one-off exam or how does it work exactly?
Yes, indeed, Olive. You seem to be as confused as many people in the country, but I'm not going to blame you on that. It's maybe because the information has been scanty. But about 20 minutes ago, we had the PS for Education, Belio Kipsang, who came and met with Grade 3 learners here at the Moi Avenue Primary School. And he clarified that this is not an exam. This is what they refer to as monitoring progression for learners. It is not an exam. It is something that has been ongoing for the better part of third term, and the teachers also know that this activity is ongoing and it is not an exam. The kids are not going to be ranked. No one is going to receive results. We don't have any officials from the Kenya National Examination Council in schools monitoring or overseeing whatever it is that is going. All the powers are rested on the teachers who are administering this assessment to Grade 3 learners. It is not an exam. Once again, this is information from the Ministry of Education, and they say that this is something that they've been doing since 2010, where they've been monitoring Class 2, Class 6 and Form 2, even though when they were doing this since 2010, they were just taking samples from a few schools across the country. But what is different is that now this one has been spread countrywide, but it is not an exam. It is not a national exam. Parents should rest easy that their children are not being subjected to any examination. All Grade 3 pupils currently in school, they are all going to proceed to Grade 4 come next year, and the government is also planning to roll out Grade 4 as starting next year. The PS also touched a little bit on one of the an unfortunate incident that happened last week, where we had a student from Bomet County who committed suicide after she was there are claims that one of the female teachers ridiculed her for soiling her uniform. She said the ministry was supposed to release the report today. That was according to CS Magoha, after he met with women members of parliament who stormed Jogoo House earlier on last week. But the PS said the investigations are still ongoing. They're still compiling a report, and they will let the country know on what else or the way going forward with regards to that incident. Back to you, Olive.
All right, Sharon, what does it entail? Is it a standard exam? I read about teachers printing out the questions. And does it involve a practical aspect? How exactly does this assessment work?
No, this assessment is very different from how an exam is normally done. An exam has a set of questions where students sit the same set of questions, then the exam is marked, then the students are scored, then you can even rank. Whether it's students or schools, you can rank according to how they've performed. But this one is just to gauge how learners are performing with regards to the CBC. No one is going to be subjected to any kind of exam, but the questions are uniform throughout the country, and head teachers, all they have to do is just go to the portal of NEC, download a document which has a set of questions, and then they'll just ask randomly in class. This is just to gauge how the CBC is being how the CBC is currently performing in schools on the ground. Olive?
Thank you for that brief.